Hello, this is Chris Young with 80/20 CRM, and we are going to cover quickly how to get into admin setup. We're going through a whole module, putting a lot of videos together for admins, how to set up Salesforce and 80/20 CRM. Let's get started. So if you're on the home page, really any tab, anywhere in the front end, there'll be a gear icon on the top right here. Click that icon, and that'll pop open a setup pane. If you have Service Cloud, you'll also see a purple gear icon for Service Setup. Click into Setup there. That should bring open your Setup tab in the back end. There are a lot of options in here, so we'll dive into those later and give you more tips and tricks for that. The greatest thing to know is this quick find box. Say you want to set up Einstein, use anything here, maybe the app menu, maybe you're working on users, profiles, etc. So just start typing here, it'll get you where you want to go most often. And that's quickly, very quickly, how to get to setup. If you want to access objects to look at the fields and object settings, go to your object manager. And then again here, you can type into opportunities or any of the objects. Also from the front end, really fast, if you're on an object, you can click. I'll show you that as well while we're here. If I'm on an object, let's go to leads. I can also click the gear icon. If I want to go directly to that object, I can go to edit object, and that will take me straight to set up the leads object, and then I'll be able to see all of those different settings for the lead. This is in the Lightning layout, by the way. Classic looks quite a bit different. Lightning's easier to navigate, in my opinion. I can click into that object that I searched here. Last thing in setup, I'll show you this search setup here. You can access profiles, users, lots of different items from this search setup here as well. So maybe we want to try and update the disposition portal guest user profile. It's hard to get to most of the time, but this search lets you find it. So you can see that user, you can go to that profile and make edits, modifications. From the user, you'll see lots of other settings, permission sets, license assignments, etc. here. Hope that's helpful. Again, this is Chris Young with 80/20 CRM. Just trying to give you a little bit of information how to on getting into setup if you're an admin. Thank you.